This video is about changing the notification sounds for your Signal application. If you have any issue in privacy with WhatsApp, you can switch your chattings and your callings to the Signal application. To change the sound settings of your Signal application, the first thing that you have to make sure about is that your phone is not in silent or vibration mode. When you change these settings of your phone, you have to open your Signal application. When your Signal application is open, you have to go to the settings of this application. When the settings panel is open, you can see different options here. The second option is about notifications. You have to go to the notification settings. Make sure that the notification bar here is on. Down there, you can see the settings of sounds. You have to go to the sounds. When you open the sound settings, you can see that you can change sounds according to your choice. Go furthermore down, you can also change the in-chat sounds here. Go furthermore down, you can also see the option for notifications of calls as well. The notification bar of calls here is off. You have to make it on to receive the calls notifications. You can also change the ringtones of calls here. So that's how you can change the notifications and the sound settings of the Signal application. Thank you.